everyone, today we'll be making a waterfall jacket. We are going to be using melting fabric, which is used for making winter coats. The dimensions of the fabric are 60 by 60 inches. First fold the fabric into half, then fold the fabric again into a square. Start measuring from this corner of the square. Measure 25 inches all around. Join all these points into a semicircle. Cut around the semicircle. Open up the circle. From the top of the fabric, measure down 15 inches and draw a straight line from that point. Along that line, measure half the shoulder to shoulder measurement. In my case, it is 8 inches. From that point, measure down the armhole depth, which is 8 inches. Join these 2 points with a straight line. Find the center of this line. Mark 2 inches this side and also 2 inches on this side. Draw a curved line from this point up to here and from there down. Also, draw another curve from here to this point and from the point down. This is going to be our armhole. Get a pair of scissors and cut around the marked area. The armhole has been opened, as you can see. Next, you can cut off a strip of fabric which is 60 by 2 inches and you can use it as a belt for the waterfall jacket. If you want a clean finish, then you can go ahead and overlock the waterfall jacket all around and also the belt and the armhole. Here is the waterfall jacket. All the ends have been overlocked and the armholes. Also, the belt is neat.